If you're following the news, all of the headlines about conditions in the current housing market may leave you with more questions than answers. Is the boom over? Is the market crashing or correcting? Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and here is what you need to know. The housing market is moderating compared to the last 2 years, but what everyone needs to remember is the past 2 years were record-breaking in nearly every way. Historic low mortgage rates and millennials reaching peak home buying years led to an influx of buyer demand. Additionally, in Maine, the number of out-of-state buyers has increased 15% over the last 2 years. At the same time, there have not been enough homes available to purchase, thanks to many years of underbuilding and sellers who held off on listing their homes due to COVID. This combination led to record high demand and record low supply, and that wasn't going to be sustainable for the long term. This graph tracks the traffic of national home showings beginning in 2019 and is a good indication of buyer demand. As highlighted, home showings skyrocketed during the pandemic, and while it has moderated somewhat, it is still above 2019 levels at this time. Recent sales statistics reflect a decline in home sales in 2022, but perspective matters, as is often the case when looking at time-sensitive data. Here's a look at annual adjusted home sales dating again to 2019 according to NAR. According to the latest projection for 2022, shown in green, the market is on pace to close this year with slightly more sales than pre-pandemic levels, which would be considered more normal. It is our belief that 2022 will be a year of a market correction rather than a market crash. Growth in sale prices continue, but at a decelerating rate. Mortgage rates will increase yet remain below the rate of inflation. The bottom line is that the real estate market should remain healthy. If you are thinking of buying or selling this year, let's find time to talk soon. I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.